Good morning, good morning, good morning mga guys. Today is Wednesday. So, last na namin ngayon sa work namin. So, ngayon nandito tayo sa work na, sa loob. At shout out pala sa lahat ng mga friend ko na subscriber. So, thank you very much to all subscribe and follow to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much and advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year all over the world. God bless you, God bless you, and thank you very much. Sana I hope you will continue to support in my YouTube channel and subscribe. So thank you very much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Kain na tayo mga guys. Let's eat.
Pwede daw na bibili sa akin. Magkano mo? Pwede ko tinagyan ang yung mga oatmeal. Mga beef.
Shout out dyan sa Mabua all over the world. Mabua and Bago, advance Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And Montelupa, Alabang, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. So thank you, God bless you to all. Thank you very much.